Get into a car with value. 2018 Lincoln MKX. This vehicle still has fewer than 40,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. Answer the call to drive boldly into the future. Modern styling, advanced safety and infotainment tech, and a suite of creature comforts are on board to make every drive secure, confident, and relaxing. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, fog lamps, power passenger seat, dual zone AC, power driver seat, electronic stability control, heated front seat, aluminum wheels, seat memory, intermittent wipers. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.